Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course linked in the description. You can check from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design course with the AI by WebD School. And if we go with the stats, it's 200 plus hiring partners are there, 10 years of excellence is there, and the course fees is 65,000 and duration is 6 months. AI powered course is there, job zone is there. They are providing extra mentorship also, and these are the placement testimonials. This section is looking good because they're providing the difference between UX and UI and why the student failed in this course. And if we go down, these are the difference between UX and UI product design. And it's a 5 month module. First month module is about UX UI foundation, theory, fundamentals. Second month is about persona, user research, mapping, user flows. Third month is about testing, validation, optimization, wireframes. Important topic is there. Fourth month is Photoshop, Figma tools, UI components. Variant is also very important. And fifth month is about Figma AI personalization, portfolio help, AI design, VR design. Tools covered are Figma, HT, Sketch, Bootstrap, Midjourney, Protopie. Overall, all tools are covered, including the AI tools. This course is future-oriented course basically, and also with the help of development softwares like Bootstrap, HTML. Also, why AI is important for UX UI. This section is also looking nice, and it help in providing AI powered projects. And these are the testimonials, portfolio by their students. Overall, this course is good to go course. Overall, the UI of this page is also looking good. The color combination they use, the design elements, all the theory with the UX UI fundamentals, it's looking good. So if we go with the rating according to these parameters, it's a 1 for structure, fundamental is also 1, UI design quality is also 1. Hand-on project and case studies are there, but it's not proper. Like they are not providing any AI powered case studies, which is future oriented. So it's a zero point 0.5. Tools and software training is 1. Mentorship and feedback is also there is 1. They will help in portfolio development, it's 1. Placement and career support is there, but it didn't mention 100% placement is there. So it's a zero point 0.5. Course value Cs is also a 1. Industry relevance update is also a 1 because it's a future oriented course. They have covered all the AI tools in this UI UX course. So it's a 9 out of 10, that very actually good rating according to UI UX course. You can definitely go with this course. Also, there are many better courses in the market. I will add the best UI UX course, which cover all the parameters according to this list and covers all the weightage related to UI UX fundamentals, overall design quality, and help you in mentorship and placement support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can definitely check out from there. Thank you.